Does tea just drip off the side of your gaiwan when you try to pour your tea?
Hey, it's Jan from Teacan. Today I want to show you an easy way to hold the gaiwan so you can pour tea comfortably and with confidence. Let's get started. So now let's pretend gaiwan is a compass and the top of the bowl is north, then we have south, east, and west. Before we pour the tea, we'll create a crescent moon shaped opening by moving the lid slightly to the east. To hold the gaiwan, place your thumb on south and the middle finger on north. Your index finger should now be pointing in the northwest direction. Gently hold the gaiwan with your fingertips while resting your index finger on the knob on top of the lid. Lift the gaiwan and tilt it in a swift motion to the west. The tea will flow out from the small crescent-shaped opening that we created earlier. Now let's see that again, but faster this time. Here I'm using water to show where the tea liquor is going to pour out of from the gaiwan. Remember, the trick here is to pour swiftly and with confidence. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, cheers!